As a business owner, sometimes we have so many tasks at hand, it is just hard to see what is going on and what's important and what should I do next, and it gets a little overwhelming. So what I've created here is a task tracker template that can help you to organize your tasks easily without having to pay monthly fees on some other subscription that everybody wants you to pay for. So this is available in Google Sheets and Excel, and then it's really easy to use. So there's two tabs here. The first tab is just the instructions tab. It will have the link to the YouTube video when we're done. And then we're here on the task tracker. So this is really easy for you to manage your own business, or if you have staff that work for you, just any sort of tasks, this can be a great sheet to use. So I'm going to come in and just say that we're going to have to come up with our social media strategy. And then we're going to talk about monthly content ideas for the description, priority. Let's just say that it's going to be high priority. And then this is going to be due Friday. So we're going to say that it's due on Friday. And then once I put that due date in there, it's going to go ahead and tell me that I've got 4 days until it's done. So that's really important. And then if we do the status, say we haven't started it yet, and then we're going to choose the category, and then let's just say that it's marketing. If you wanted to change one of the drop-down boxes, you can. You can delete one. You can add another item. You can customize the color. Let's just choose a little purple color, and then we can say that's IT, and we're going to hit done. And then we're going to say just this instance for this one. And then what you can do, this is a little bit of a rabbit hole, but see how it says value contains one from a list. We're going to go ahead and change apply to that range to G5 to G505. And that way it's just everything from this column. And that way you're not changing all of the other ones because it gets a little crazy. If it's just assigned to, if it's just you, you can just put me. Your start date, say I'm going to come in and I'm going to start this today, and it's going to take me about 2.5 hours to complete. So say I am at, 1.25 hours in here, I can come in here and tell it like, hey, I'm about halfway done. That way I kind of have an idea of, how far I'm going at this. And then it also will tell you if it's complete all the way, it's going to get up to like a white color. If, we're at 95%, the color is just going to get lighter. If I'm at 1% complete, it's going to be a really dark color. So that'll kind of help you. Once the colors get lighter, you'll know that it's, you're all close to being done. And then once it's done, then, say I finished it today. Then once that's done, the pie chart will also tell you, hey, it's complete. So if I go ahead and fill out most of these, that pie chart is going to say most of them are complete, and then it'll show you, 30% are incomplete. It's also going to count up how many tasks are complete versus tasks that are not complete. And then you can also write down like subtasks. So say I have to, write content, design graphics, that sort of thing, make videos. And then notes, ask, your virtual assistant to help. So that way you can just, have notes to see what you need to do and make sure that you can get everything done in a timely manner. So I can easily come in and I can see, hey, I've got some high priority tasks come in and I need to go ahead and start working on that. And then I can also see, my high priority task, like this one's only 10% complete. I need to go ahead and start working on it. So it'll help you. And then this also tells you, if it's 0 or less than 0 of days until it's due, then the color will be pink for you. So you can see like, hey, I've got some of these that are in pink. I need to go ahead and get this done. So there's a lot of visual things in here that can really pop out and tell you like, hey, there's things I need to work on, things that are coming up quicker. So that's how this sheet works. This is a really super helpful task tracker. This is available on my website at savvyandthriving.com for only $3.50. Super easy sheet, So much easier than paying the money that you have to pay for other subscriptions, because this is not a subscription. This is just something you'll keep up with. So if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. I'm at savvyandthriving.com. You guys have a great day.